What's up, everyone? It's your boy Sun here, ready to dive into the weirdest and wackiest laws from around the world. We're talking about the kind of laws that make you scratch your head and say, wait, what? Get ready to laugh. Or maybe cry. Because some of these laws are so ridiculous, you won't believe they're real. But we're not just going to list them. Oh no. We're going deep and finding out the why behind these bizarre regulations. Because, hey, there's gotta be a reason, right? So buckle up, guys, and get ready for a wild ride through the crazy world of strange laws. First up, we're heading to Switzerland, the land of cheese, chocolate, and apparently strict laundry schedules. Yeah, you heard that right. Switzerland isn't just famous for its yummy treats, but also for its particular rules. That's right, my friends. In Switzerland, it's against the law to hang your laundry out to dry on Sundays. It's not just some old tradition, it's a real law that people take seriously. Can you believe it? Apparently, Sunday in Switzerland is a holy day of rest, a day of peace and quiet. Families get together, people go to church, and everyone enjoys some well-deserved relaxation. And nothing screams relaxing Sunday like the sight of your neighbor's underwear flapping in the wind. Imagine that. A peaceful Sunday afternoon ruined by the sight of undies and socks on display. So, if you're in Switzerland and feeling the urge to do laundry on a Sunday, don't. Resisting the temptation is key to keeping the peace in the neighborhood. Unless you want to face the wrath of the Swiss laundry police, yeah, it's a real thing and they don't mess around. They're like the fashion police, but way more intense. So remember, in Switzerland, Sunday is for rest, not for laundry. Next stop, Thailand, the land of smiles, and mandatory underwear. Okay, get this. In Thailand, it's illegal to leave your house without underwear. You heard me right. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Apparently, underwear is a must-have fashion accessory. No going commando in the land of smiles. Now, you might be wondering, why on earth would there be a law about this? Well, it all comes down to public decency and respecting cultural norms. Thailand is a pretty conservative country, and walking around without your skivvies is seen as a big no-no. Chapter 3. Don't be a cable guy, unless you are one. Hold on tight because we're heading down under to Australia, where apparently walking on power lines is a big no-no. Unless, of course, you're an electrician. In that case, you can strut your stuff on those wires like a boss. I mean, makes sense, right? We don't want any wannabe tightrope walkers getting zapped while trying to impress their friends. Safety first, people. But seriously, this law is all about preventing accidents and keeping the public safe. Because, let's face it, messing around with power lines is never a good idea. Chapter 4. Siesta time is quiet time. Next stop, Italy. The land of pizza, pasta, and mandatory naps? Okay, maybe not mandatory naps, but definitely mandatory quiet time. You see, in Italy, making noise during siesta time is a big no-no. That means no blasting music, no screaming matches with your neighbor, and definitely no construction work. Siesta time is sacred in Italy. It's a time for people to relax, recharge, and escape the heat of the day. It's like a midday reset button for the entire country. So, if you're in Italy and feel the urge to blast some death metal during siesta time, don't. Your ears will thank you. And not just your ears, but your neighbors and the entire community. Siesta is a time-honored tradition that allows everyone to take a break, enjoy some peace and quiet, and get ready for the rest of the day. So, next time you're in Italy, remember to respect the siesta. It's a small gesture that makes a big difference. Chapter 5. Napoleon is not a pig's name. Last but not least, we're heading to France, the land of love, baguettes, and no pigs named Napoleon. Yep, you heard that right. Okay, so what are you thinking? What the heck? But it's true. Unbelievable, right? In France, it's illegal to name your beloved pet pig Napoleon. Don't believe me? Well, it's true. Apparently, this law was put in place ages ago to protect the dignity and honor of the one and only Napoleon Bonaparte. A man who, left a bit of a mark on history. I guess they didn't want his name associated with, well, pigs. It would have been a tad awkward, don't you think? So, if you're ever in France and thinking about getting a pet pig, you might want to cross Napoleon off your list of potential names. You don't want to break the law, unless you want to face the wrath of the French pig naming police. Yeah, they're a thing. And there you have it, folks. The weirdest and wackiest laws from around the world. From mandatory underwear in Thailand to pig naming restrictions in France, we've covered it all. Subscribe for more awesome content. Hey, if you know any other weird laws, let me know in the comments below.